Hello and welcome to our video on how to create a budget that works for you. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the budgeting process and giving you all the tips, tricks, and tools you need to create a budget that works for you and your lifestyle. Creating a budget can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're going to break down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps so that you can take control of your finances and start saving money today. First, let's start by defining what a budget is. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money. By creating a budget, you can ensure that you have enough money to cover your expenses and reach your financial goals. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes all sources of money, such as your salary, bonuses, or any other income streams. Once you have a clear picture of your income, you can start looking at your expenses. Next, make a list of all your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, car payments, insurance, and other bills that stay the same each month. Once you have a clear picture of your fixed expenses, you can start looking at your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and other discretionary spending. Now, it's important to prioritize your expenses. Start by identifying your needs and wants. Needs are the things you have to survive, such as rent, food, and transportation. Wants are the things you would like to have but can live without, such as dining out, buying new clothes, or streaming services subscriptions. Now that you have a clear picture of what you're spending on, you can start cutting back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money to more important areas. Another important step is to set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off credit card debt, or building an emergency fund, setting financial goals will help you stay motivated and focused on your budget. After you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start creating your budget. One popular method is the 50/30/20 rule, where you allocate 50% of your budget to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Finally, it's important to track your spending and stick to your budget. You can use a budgeting app or create a spreadsheet to keep track of your expenses and make sure you're staying on track. It's also a good idea to review your budget regularly. By reviewing your budget regularly, you can see what is working and what isn't, and make adjustments as needed. Creating a budget may take some time and effort, but it's worth it in the long run. By taking control of your finances, you can save money and reach your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time event. It's a process that requires consistency, discipline, and patience. Thanks for watching and good luck with creating your budget. Remember, you got this.